Om Guru Ram Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you, my dear fourth class students. Today discuss about money from your workbook. Okay. Same thing here today. Mathematics day. So happy Mathematics day to all. So today let us start our syllabus. See here. Money. How much money? Count and number the boxes. See here. This is, so listen carefully. Then you can write the total amount of money given box. See, this is 2000 rupees note. 2000 plus 500 rupees note 2. 500 plus 500. Next 100 rupees notes 3. 100, 100, 100 plus 50. See, add 0, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11, 12, 13, 3 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 2, 3. So total amount 3,350 rupees. Write down everybody here. 3,350 rupees. Write down. See here, write down. 3,350. Satvika, Srikaran, Sripad, video on please. Write down 3,350. Now next one beta. See, this is 2,000 rupees. Now here 50 rupees 2. 50 rupees, 50 rupees. 500 rupees 3. 500, again 500, again 500. Add it. See here 0. 5 plus 5, 10, 0 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus, see here, 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 15 plus 1, 16, 6 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 2, 3. So 3,600. Write down. 3,600. $3,600. Now next third one. 500. How many notes better? 3. 500. 500 plus 50 rupees. Plus 50 rupees. 2,000 notes 3. See here 2,000. This is thousands place. 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Add it. See here 0. 5 plus 5, 10. 0 taking, 1 carrying. See here 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 16. 6 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. 7,600 rupees. See here, 7,600 plus 10 rupees coin 2, no? 10 rupees coin 2 plus 20 rupees. Then you can get 0, 2, 6, 7,620. See here, here also 10 rupees coin plus 10. So you can get 0, 1, 3,610 beta. 3,610. 10 rupees only. See here beta, second one is 3610. This is 3610. Write down everybody. 3610. Now third one 7620. 7620. $7,620. Now next one 100 rupees notes 3, 100 plus 100 plus 100, 500 rupees 2 notes, 500 plus 500, 100 rupees how many? 4. See here 502, 2001 notes, 2000, so 10 rupees times 3, 30 rupees. See here 0, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 4 taking 1 carry, 1 plus 2, 3. 3,430. Say now next bit write down everybody in your CW. Page number 5. Write down everybody in your CW. See first one. Convert the following. So first one is 4 rupees 50 pies into pies. Look at the blackboard everybody. See here. Rupees is converted into pies, means rupees is multiplied with 100 because 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies. Then write down here solution 4 rupees 50 pies. 4 rupees 50 pies. See here 4 rupees 50 pies, that is equals to rupees, means 4 rupees is multiplied by 100 pies. See here remaining how many pies are there? 50 pies. Then you can write plus 50 pies. See here write down. Here that is equals to 1 rupee is equals to 100 pies. 4 into 100, 400 pies plus 50 pies. You can get 450 pies. Write down everybody. Now next, ₹7.80 into pies. Solution, look at the blackboard everybody. ₹7.80. 70 rupees 80 pies. See here. 1 rupee, that is equals to 100 pies. So 70 rupee 80 pies, that is equals to 70 rupees is multiplied with 100 pies. Okay? 70 into 100 pies. Remaining how many pies are there, beta? Look at the blackboard. 80 pies. So 80 pies write down here. 80 pies. See here. 70 is multiplied by 100. Look at the blackboard. So 70 is multiplied by 100. You can write 70 after 2 zeros. See here. 70 as it is. 70 after how many zeros you can write? 2 zeros. Direct method. So 7000 pies plus 80 pies. You can get, see here, 7080. See here, 0, 8, 7080 pies. Write down. See here, one shortcut is there. Look at the blackboard. 70 rupees 80 pies. Remove rupees and point. 7080 pies. Completed? Now next, 30 rupees 50 pies into pies. Solution. See here, 30 rupees 50 pies. 1 rupee, that is equals to 100 pies. Rupee is converted into pies means rupees is multiplied with 100 pies. 30 rupees 50 pies, that is equals to 30 into 100 pies. Remaining how many pies are there, beta? 50 pies. Write down. See here, 30 into 100 you can get 3000. 30 after you can write 2 zeros plus 50. So 3000 plus 50. 3050. 0503. You can get 3050 pies. Write down. Now next, this is very very important. Listen carefully. See here, 5,500 pies into rupees beta. This is very very important. See here, pies is converted to rupees, means pies is divided by 100. Then we can get rupees. Solution: 5,500 pies. 1 rupee, that is equals to 100 pies. See here, 5,500 pies, that is equals to how many rupees? Now I have to take divide. See here, 5,500 by 100. Look at the blackboard. 100, 5,500. See here, how many digits I have to take from left to right side? 3. 100 paisa 500. See, 500, 0 minus 0, 0, 0, 5 minus 0, 5, 5 minus 5, 0. Now bring down 0 to the remainder. 100 paisa 500. So remainder what? 0. Then this is rupees. So you can write how many rupees? 55 rupees. So shortcut also there. See here. 5,500 pies. See here. In the given number, from right to left side, first 2 digits is goes to pies, remaining digits is goes to rupees. Then you can write directly 55 rupees 00 pies. Did you understand? Huh? See, write down here how many rupees. Now next one. $1,050 into rupees. Okay. See here, solution. 1,050 pies. Pies is converted to rupees, means divided by 100 pies. 1 rupee, that is equals to 100 pies. 1,050 pies is equals to how many rupees? Then divide. 1,050 by 100. 10 rupees 50 pies. Now see here. From right to left side, first 2 digits goes to pies and remaining goes to rupees. See here, look at the blackboard. 100 taking as divisor, 1050 taking as dividend. We have to take 3 digits. See here, 100 ones are 100. Look at the blackboard. 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. See here, bring down 0 to the remainder. So 50 is less than 100. So we have to take 100 zeros are 0. 50 minus 0, 50. So there is no number, stop it. See here, this divisor is goes to rupees and the remainder is goes to pies. It can be written as rupees and the remainder it can be written as pies. Then you can write here 10 rupees 50 pies. Now next, next 900 pies into rupees. Solution: 900 pies, 1 rupee, you can get 1 rupee equals to 100 pies. 900 pies, that is equals to how many rupees? So I have to take divide. 900 divided by 100. See here, 100 9s are 900. 900 minus 900, 0. Then here 10 rupees, sorry 9 rupees. So remainder 0, then we have to write in the pies 0, 0. Okay? Now next, Nana second bit, solve the following. See here, 275 rupees 50 pies plus 398 rupees 40 pies plus 200 36 rupees 30 paise better. See, first write down. This is rupees column and paise column. 275 rupees 50 paise plus 398 rupees 40 paise plus 236 rupees 30 paise. Okay? See here. 0, 0, 0, 0. See here. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 2 taking, 1 carrying. Above the 5. Okay? See here. Now next 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 0 taking, carrying 2. Where? Above 7. Okay? Now here 2 plus 7, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. 1 taking, carrying 2. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Therefore, sum that is equals to 910 rupees 20 paise. Write down everybody. Needed. 564 rupees plus 110 rupees 48 paise, 277 rupees 68 paise. Here 564 rupees plus 110 rupees 48 paise plus 277 rupees 68 paise. See here 0 plus 8, 8 plus 8, 16, 6 taking, 1 carrying, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 1 taking, 1 carrying. Okay? 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 7, 12, 2 taking, 1 carrying, above 6. Here 1 plus 6, 7, 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 5 taking, 1 carrying, above 5, 1 plus 5, 6, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. Therefore, sum that is equals to 952 rupees 16 paise. Okay, beta, today your class is completed. Thank you to all.